a Saturday vlog. Let's see where it takes us. Although the day's almost over, it's already 4. So this morning we went firewood chopping. Woke up nice and early for that. Filled the trailer up with firewood. We'll go walk there in a minute. And then came home, had lunch. Then I had to finish knocking down the shed over there. That will come on the next vlog. Shed needs to go down. No idea if I'm gonna do a time lapse or it's just gonna go poof and be gone. Let's see. Now isn't that crazy? Hold on. Just like that. Now I gotta unload the firewood and drop it in the box. Right there. Right here. The box that I took from work. So I'm hoping to get I will for sure get 2 rows. I'm hoping it doesn't stick out too far out the back here. And it all fits. This fit in the trailer, so I'm hoping it will. Anyways, let's go walk. Garden shed gone. Here it is. Full load of firewood. Ooh, what a Saturday. Not much on this vlog, is there now? Let's see. Got a good decent amount of firewood there and there. There's a sneak peek at the shed. Hope to do a pressure clean of that area today, but I don't think I'm going to. Just tidy up the yard a bit. Get it ready for rain. It's gonna rain on the weekend, so Monday I'll hopefully be in the shed working the CNC, but we'll see. Depending on the weather. If it's all good, I gotta shave as well. If it's all good, then if it's all sunny, then I will be in the garden down there again. So probably we'll have a Monday vlog as well. Yeah. Cheers. Catch you around. If I do include the rest of the week, it might be here or it might be back there. We'll see. Goodbye for now. See you later. Pizza dinner time.